Today we make a truly excellent recipe, these Scotch eggs. Scotch eggs are basically hard-boiled eggs encased in your favorite sausage and cooked. They're super easy to make and crazy delicious. So let's go ahead and get started here. And in today's video, I'm going to be making 6 of these because 1 pound of sausage divides perfectly among 6 eggs, but you can make as few or as many as you would like. We just want to drop those straight from the fridge into already boiling water and cook for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we can just take this directly off the heat and over to our sink, where we'll dump out most of the hot water and refill it with cold water, stopping that cooking and getting our eggs cooled down quickly. That way they'll be ready to peel in about a minute or two. Once these are cool enough to handle, I really only have one simple tip when it comes to peeling these. Start at the wider end. There's a little air bubble down there, and the key is to get your finger under that little membrane. Once you get under that membrane, the whole shell will come off real easy. And you'll be able to feel it with your finger when you do. The egg will start to feel kind of slippery, and that shell can just slip right off like that. Just give our egg a quick rinse, and now it's time to go off to the sausage station. Hey, sausage station, that sounds like a completely different video. Now, on our scale, we have 1 pound of sausage, and divided by 6 eggs, we need about 75 grams of sausage. Hey, look at that, perfect on the first try. Now, I know me switching back and forth between British Imperial and metric is going to annoy some people, but I think you'll be okay. Really, we just want to flatten out this sausage as much as we can, because that's going to make it much easier to load our egg into the middle here. All we need to do is press our sausage around the egg gently, kind of get it sealed up towards the top, just like that. Try and get this even. If we don't, it has a tendency to kind of crack open where there's a thin spot, but even if that happens, it's not a big deal. Onto a foil or parchment-lined baking sheet, and we're going to cook these at 500 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. At which point these are ready to serve. We just want to pull them out and let them cool for at least 5 or 10 minutes. The other option I like in the oven for cooking these is to actually broil them for the same amount of time. That way they get browner on top, but if you bake them, they get nice and brown on the bottom like this instead. So it's really up to you if you want brown tops or brown bottoms. Some people also like to bread and deep fry these, but I much prefer them in this classic style. I really hope you've enjoyed today's episode of Passion for Food. If you have, don't forget to give me a thumbs up below, subscribe, and hit that little bell so you don't miss our future videos. And check out one of our other great recipes on the screen now. This has been Graham with A Passion for Food.